Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the company which is having a walk-in drive for the QA. So the walk-in drive would be on 10th of October, that is Friday, and the timings would be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So it is in Gurgaon, and the company name is Delhivery. So the venue is also provided. It's their headquarters, plot number 5, sector 44, Gurgaon. So they are hiring for QA engineers, SDETs, and this is for the two locations, that is Gurgaon as well as for Bangalore. So you people can apply if anyone is having 1 to 3 years of QA SDET experience, they can apply. Plus hands-on with APM would be preferred. And someone who is strong in API or UI automation, then this job opportunity is for you. So exposure to real-time device testing, Android, iOS would be a plus point, and you can confirm your attendance. So I'll be putting this particular link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. So you can apply from there. And the candidates with notice period greater than 30 days cannot be considered. So this is a company which is hiring for the candidates who are having a notice period of 1 month. So they can apply, and you are expected to bring your resume also with you. So the walk-in drive would be on Friday, 10th of October, and the timings would be 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., right? So you can apply for this particular company. It's a good company, and you would definitely be getting good opportunity to work, good exposure to work, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.